Hi, this is Friday's video. So today you are just thinking about what you learned about this week, and you are going to draw a picture and write about something that you learned. So all week we've been reading this Monarch Butterfly book. So you might need to reread it and then discuss with someone at home something that you found interesting, something that you found out that you didn't know before. And you're going to write and draw about that. And you're going to upload your drawing and your writing onto your Class Dojo portfolio. I'm also going to remind you that you have the specials lessons on our website. So you just, let's say that you're starting on the kindergarten tab. You go to more and go to the specials team lessons, and you can find all of those lessons on that website. Okay, I will see you guys next week. Have a great weekend, and I can't wait to see your beautiful drawings about what you learned this week. All right, bye.